everyone. My name is Chris Barsness. I created this course because I've been practicing law over 20 years in California, Texas, and handled cases all over the US. But it's so common that clients will come to me and think, well, maybe I can do this myself. And even myself, I've had things that I've had to do in my personal life that in terms of a divorce and child custody, I didn't want to have to shell out a lot of money to a family law attorney. So I wondered, is this something I can do myself? So the point of this course is I'm going to give you some inside knowledge because when you go to an attorney, they want to make the sale. That's their business. So their whole point is, okay, well, you probably shouldn't do this yourself. You should probably hire me because I'm an expert. In some cases, that's true. There are some areas of law that are very complex and you can really screw up even if you think you know what you're doing. But there are other things that are pretty simple. And as long as you do some research and you try to do them correctly, you probably can do them yourself. So what we're going to do in this course is we're going to go through and provide basically some different types of resources online that you can find. And those are towards the conclusion. But the course is basically a bunch of videos of me that are going to go through by specific topic. So if it's you're filing for divorce, or there's a child custody dispute, or you want to draft a contract, you want to prepare a will, by specific issue, you can click on that module. And in that video, I'm going to go through a little bit about, okay, what kind of case, how would this come about? Like, is it a probate case? What does that mean? How would that type of case come about? A little bit of the basics of the law behind it and the process, and give you an idea, okay, well, what are the pros and cons of representing myself? Some tips on how to do it yourself if you want to, and what the potential cost would be if you hire an attorney. And again, this is going to vary a lot depending on the type of case you're doing, how complex it is, and what area you're in, because different courts have different rules and procedures. So again, this is just general educational information. You shouldn't use it as specific legal advice, but hopefully it's a guide to help you make a decision on whether you should hire an attorney or whether it's something you can really do it yourself. So let's get started.